me that ain't some freaky shit right there. Blackbird, bruh, blackbirds. Tell me little bastards on that weird as hell. That's what you call a murder of blackbirds. Crazy shit right there. I didn't want to show y'all this. I thought it was kind of cool. At the same damn time, that's pretty cool. This ain't something you see a lot of. Wish they'd take off again. When they do, it is freaking amazing. I've never seen birds act like this. Sorry about the shaky ass camera quality, but it's kind of chilly out here. Here come a truck. Hopefully it'll make them fly. Or a car. I think it's a car. Never mind, it's a car. Be something loud that'll make them move. See, it look like dirt. It ain't dirt. That's crows. Little ass crows. Really? Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, I got some pretty good footage of it. Like I say, you can't see the weirdness in it until they take off. But when they take off, man, it's fucking just like you ain't never seen nothing like it. Yeah, oh yeah, I've got a few times, but it has to be something kind of loud, like a diesel coming by or something. Yeah, I know, it's just